Okay, so this is our puppies. This is Lily and Tank's litter. And of course, they are all blue Weimaraner puppies. And, oh my goodness. So cute. This is Orange Collar Boy. Orange Collar Boy. They are 4 weeks old. They are so big. But he's not the biggest one. The biggest one is Big Blue here. What? Come here. Oh my gosh, he is a hoss. Yes,
So
you are.
cute.
Look at that face. Oh my goodness. He is so heavy. When you are 8 weeks old, I won't be able to lift you. Maybe I will. Okay, I will. I'll lift you as your baby. Oh, you're so sweet. Is that Lindsay's phone? Does she leave her phone on during videos? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do? Somebody's really wanting to get hold of her too. All right, so that is Blue Collar Boy. Did we do orange first? Who did I do first?
You did orange.
Oh, I couldn't even remember.
He's the smallest.
And Black Collar Boy. Orange, you think is?
No, I think black is.
I think these two are pretty close in size. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, you're right, a little bit. I see you, Blue. I see you. Oh, so cute. Okay, so this is Black Collar Boy. Oh, look at that face. You are such an easygoing guy. Yes, you are. Oh, boy, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. What are you doing? Hey. Oh, he's a sweetheart. Yes, you are. Oh, my baby. I don't even care. Yeah. You are just an angel bear. Yes, you are. You're just an angel bear. All right, guys. Come here, Purple. And this is Purple Collar Girl. Oh, she's so cute. There's only one girl in this litter, so of course you get Purple Collar. Oh, she's got you. What'd you do? What did you do? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are lovies. You get lovies? Come on, baby. Yes. Oh, you're so cute. We got a whole bunch of pictures of her a while ago yawning. She's just a tired girl. Yes, okay. Yeah, oh, I know. The boy's getting after you. Oh, it's so rough being the only girl. Yes. Aw, they're so cute though. Look at you. Oh, those eyes. Oh my gosh, those blue eyes are just gorgeous. Yeah, just gorgeous, I says. Oh, thank you. Okay, so this litter was born on February the 8th, and they are available to go home on April the 4th. So if you have a puppy in this litter, of course, is sold out. There's no more available puppies. Settle in, Blue. You settle down. And so I will have a litter of Blues during the summer. Winifred is going to have a litter. So, I know. So cute. Oh, did you get stuck? You did get stuck. Yeah, you did. Oh my goodness, so funny. But there's just the 4 puppies in this litter. Ship date is April the 8th. And there's 3 boys and 1 girl. And, oh my goodness. What are you doing? 3 boys. Yeah, 1 girl. And, oh, behave. says. Yeah. Oh, they're so funny though. They are really big for their age. This is about as energetic as these guys get. This is energy for them. Usually they're just really, really easygoing and chilled out because they are just pretty big pups. So, all right. And it's really amazing at this stage how much more they do than last week. So each week it's like a little more playing and interacting and everything like that. It's really wild. So, my name's Terry Young with White River Kennels. My number's 812-709-1839.